If you're looking to build an AI chatbot, particularly a chatbot like this one down here in the bottom left-hand corner, then I just want to showcase to you very quickly this service called Voiceflow, because I think this is going to become very handy indeed. Of course, in Bubble, and we've got loads of tutorials already on this, you can build an embedded in-webpage chatbot, a lot like ChatGPT. We've even got a video on how to build a custom GPT service, all in your Bubble app. But if you're looking to provide maybe a service to your clients where you take a knowledge base and then you provide them with the bottom right-hand corner style of chatbot, then you should seriously check out Voiceflow. Voiceflow looks like I've been experimenting with it over the last week or so, and it's an incredible no-code chatbot creation tool which has got an amazing integration where you can provide documents and URLs to add into a knowledge base, and then the chatbot can respond based on the contents of that knowledge base. So if I just explore, I mean, look, we've got this amazing graphical workflow, chatbot creation. You've probably seen something similar to this before, but then if we go into, say, like the knowledge base, you can see that through their web interface, you can add files as via URL, including web pages. You can upload PDFs as well. And then you can basically set it up so that OpenAI replies to messages through Voiceflow using the knowledge that you provided in the knowledge base. And I was helping a coaching client with this a few days ago, and we were looking at the API documentation. And I'll just show you what you can do here. And if we go into API references, then we've got our knowledge base query. This is where you can, so if you wanted to just have a ChatGPT in a web page experience engaging with a knowledge base that you've set up or your client is setting up, then you can submit a query to that knowledge base. And in this instance, it's using Claude, but you can also have like OpenAI GPT 3.5 Turbo in there, and it will reply. And it's so easy because you can just upload documents using the API connector. Now, if you want me to demo a video doing this, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, because I'm really excited about this tool, but I want to see if you guys are excited also. So you can add documents, and you can add documents via URL, like I say, including web pages. Obviously, it needs to be public and accessible. And then you can also replace documents. So, if there's a circumstance where a client updates a document, you can build that in all dead simple using the Bubble API connector, and then you can query it using query here, or you can provide that bottom right hand corner chatbot. So if you're excited by this, leave a comment, subscribe, like this video, because we've got a few other topics in the air. We've got loads of videos planned, and we just want some help prioritizing them. So we really want to be listening and receptive to our community. And last thing from me, if you are learning Bubble and there's no better place to go than Planet No Code, we've got hundreds of Bubble tutorial videos. We've got videos that you cannot find on YouTube. You can only find them on our website at planetnocode.com.